Trying to install the TurboTax CD download on your Mac and hitting a wall. Common issues have straightforward fixes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, always check system requirements. Ensure your macOS version is supported. Older TurboTax versions won't run on the newest macOS, and vice versa. A universal fix is to grant proper permissions. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security. Under Security, you may see a message that an app was blocked. Click Allow for the TurboTax installer. My crucial pro tip: disable Gatekeeper temporarily via Terminal. If you're sure the download is legit, but it's being blocked, you can open Terminal and enter a command to allow installations from any source for that one install. Note: I'd say, search for the specific command online for your macOS version in the video to stay secure. Remember to re-enable it afterward. A few technical tweaks can get your software running smoothly. Are you a Mac user who's faced the "app can't be opened" error? How did you solve it? For more tech troubleshooting guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.